On September 4th, 2025, a Tampa deputy initiated a traffic stop over what appeared to be an improper paper tag. But what the officer doesn't know as he approaches the vehicle is that this minor violation is about to escalate into something he never expected.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Saunders with the Sheriff's Office. The reason why I pulled you over is because this tag's not valid.
You said my tag's not valid?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I was just going.
You've already been given a citation for driving around with this tag, right?
You said, have I been given a citation?
You haven't been given a citation? You have an ID or a driver's license? Okay, so you don't have a driver's license, it's an identification card.
I don't have my driver's license.
You don't have one?
Yes, sir.
No, ma'am. You've already been given a ticket for driving without a license, for no valid driver's license. You've already been given a ticket for driving this car that's been unregistered. You've already been given a ticket for not having a proper tag. I'm sorry? Okay, but you've been giving these citations previously and yet you're still driving. Okay, do me a favor, pull up a little bit so I can get out of the way here. Thank you.
Technically, she wasn't lying about not getting a citation for driving with a paper tag. However, earlier that year, she had been cited for driving without a license and operating an unregistered vehicle. More concerning, however, was her history of resisting arrest. Aware of this, the officer decided to wait for backup, and the moment they arrived, the situation quickly escalated.
You don't have a baby with you, right?
No.
There's no baby in there? All right, step out for me. All right, so you don't have a valid driver's license, so you're going to jail.
Well, okay, wait, can I put my phone down? Ow! Why are you doing that to me? Bring your food.
Send me more units, Silver.
Bro, y'all don't have to pull me.
You don't listen.
How do I not listen? You're literally calling.
No.
Get out of the car!
No.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out.
You're not going to win this.
When you just put your hands on me. Ow!
And you better stop.
Yes, he's putting his hands on me!
Fucking listen.
You're under arrest.
I don't know what she's reaching for.
I'm not reaching for anything! Ow! What is wrong with you?
You're not.
Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! Are you fucking serious? Are y'all really serious right now?
Let go of your keys. Let go.
Let go.
Give me my phone so I can call somebody. What is wrong with y'all?
You're going to jail.
You're going
All
to
in
jail.
my face. Are you serious? This is how y'all do females?
People don't, you don't listen.
And I'm
Don't shut
pregnant,
it.
so therefore you're talking about shut it.
Shut it, yeah.
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Stop grabbing me.
I'm not even touching you. I swear to God, if you break anything on my body.
Simple traffic charges.
You said simple traffic charges. I was trying to get out my car.
No, you
All
weren't.
I said was, can I put my phone in my car? You grabbed me. Y'all always mistake kicking black people for doing stupid shit. Like, are y'all crazy? All I said was, can I put my phone in my car?
All you had to do was follow simple
You
instructions.
said follow simple instructions. I asked
No,
you, can
you
I
weren't.
put my phone in my car?
It's not up to you.
What do you mean it's not up to me?
You're still trying to resist.
I'm looking for my shoe, but you got my arm.
You don't need to be grabbing for anything.
I'm not grabbing anything. I can't grab anything. I'm trying to put my foot in my shoe.
Do you have any intersection requests?
Like, what the hell? Excuse me, and you just punched me all in my face.
Yeah, that's what happens when you
You're talking
resist.
about that's what happens when you resist. I'm a fucking female.
Well, then act like a person.
Act like a person. I'm a female.
It doesn't
And
matter.
you just put all your weight on me, and I'm only 100 and something pounds. Are you fucking serious?
Well, you shouldn't have resisted.
I didn't even resist. I asked you, can I put my phone in my fucking bag?
It's not up to you, so shut up.
Shut up to me. I don't have to shut up. It's freedom of fucking speech, and you're not gonna push me out this bitch. I promise you're not.
Yeah, and this isn't the first time you resisted.
Stand up. If I can stand up.
Okay, so move.
Then stand up.
Move.
Get the fuck up.
Move, son.
Get up.
If I can get up without you, stop touching. If I can get up without you, stop touching. If I can get up without you, stop touching.
I'm gonna drag you out of the
If
car.
I can get up without get up. What is wrong with you?
Listen to the simple instructions.
I'm trying to listen.
Stop grabbing for
I'm
stuff.
not grabbing for nothing.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. And you're
Bring your hands up here.
I don't have my hands are handcuffed. And you're ripping my hair out.
Get out.
All you have to do is let me go. So I can get out.
Get out.
Are you gonna let me go so I can get out? Are you gonna let me go? Are you gonna let
Jesus
me
Christ.
go? Thank you.
You're
Move.
not going
Move
anywhere.
so I can get up. Move so
I'm
I
trying
can
to help
get
you get up.
You don't have to. I can put my own shoe on and get up.
Get up.
I am. Fuck. That's all I told y'all. Move so I can get up. You sitting up here punching me. Move. Are you gonna let me get up? You don't have to say he's in my way.
You can stand
I have
up.
on handcuffs. Where am I
Get up.
So tell me.
Get up.
Get out
Get
of my
another
way.
unit, please.
Y'all are fucking serious. You keep trying to grab my hair.
Get up.
What is wrong?
Station will remain
Tell me
1046.
stop pulling my hair.
Officer Charlie 1 and
Stop
1
pulling my
5 Hurry 97 shortly.
Stop pulling my hair.
You're ridiculous. You know
I'm
that?
not. Can I get up?
You won't get up though.
Yes,
You
I
won't.
will. You won't get out of my way for me to get up. Why do you have to be in front of me? You're literally losing
That's
your breath
fine.
trying to pull me out of a car.
That's fine. We'll get more deputies here. We'll rip you out of the car.
You don't have to. You don't have to rip me out of a car. All you have to do is let me go. Why are you so big? You're stepping on my. He's stepping on my foot now.
You can fucking stand up. You're
Can
the
he
one
get
that's
out of my
calling it.
way?
You can fucking stand up.
If he gets out of my way, stand up. I'm trying to. If he gets out of my way, I'm gonna be kissing him in his
Get
fucking
up.
mouth.
We're 10-4. We just need help getting
Now if I get up.
this person out of the car.
The hell? Fuck up. I'm trying to.
Get up. Get your other foot out.
I am. Can you get off my foot? Can you move out of my way? And I will
No, step
gladly
out.
get up. Excuse me. Can you
No.
stop touching my
No,
hand?
get up.
How? If you're
You
grabbing,
can fucking get up.
how? If you're grabbing my arm, how am I gonna get up?
Get up. You're absolutely fucking ridiculous.
You're punching me for no
Well, then move your leg. Get out of here.
Get the fuck out.
Are you gonna? I'm trying to get out and you still grabbing. Move. Thank you.
Get up.
All I want to do is
Get up.
How?
Stuck a fucking stand up.
Water Charlie 2.
Yeah, no, 1-4 Echo, Mike November Papa, 1-4 EMNP, it's a silver Toyota Camry.
You don't listen to simple
I am
instructions.
listening.
But you're not.
You didn't have to touch me against the car. Oh my God, you gotta push me so hard. I don't even have nothing on me. I literally weigh 152. Why is your big ass punching me and pulling my hair?
You don't
I don't
listen.
have nothing. I do listen. All I said was, can I put my phone in the car and I will get up? I don't have nothing in my kitty but some breast milk. Do you want some? The fuck? Y'all is crazy as fuck. Y'all too
lost
big
my
for
body
this.
cam.
Can your big ass please chill
Can you
out?
stop?
I am chilling now. I'm standing here. They're moving me.
But it looks like you're probably.
How? Don't. She's literally pushing me. So
See,
fucking
look.
aggressive.
You're not
I only
listening.
weigh
Put your
152.
steps
How
right
much
here.
weight do I have to have on me?
Well, stop
And
moving.
can you go get my phone so I can call my
No,
aunt?
I'm not getting nothing for you.
Wow,
Relax.
I can't call nobody.
can, not right this moment. You're
Okay,
being served.
I'm not. I'm not. You're being hostile. Yeah, y'all go push me in the car.
Get in. You get in like an adult.
One limit.
Can I get medical, please?
Only about 5.
We're 10-4, we're 10-15. No other units are needed on this call.
10-4, any units go 1051 to the 1050 at 301 and calls like no 10-8. 52 hours.
Apparently, I guess I never said she switched my battery, my thing all the way to here, D1, and they're like 10-4, and they cleared with the time. I'm like, hey, I need a 94 1018. Twice.
Came up.
I asked twice.
She kept on reaching for something in the back. I don't know what's
There
in the
was
back.
flyers back there, and then, but I asked for 94 1018 twice. We were fighting for like 5 minutes. Nothing.
Yeah, no, that never came up. Never. I'll call the comm center. You all right?
Yeah.
Search.
Huh?
Search for?
We haven't searched it yet.
I guess we're done. What you need, sir?
Well, it was just going to be an NVDL, so
Not now.
no. We just got her out,
Motor Charlie 2.
so we still got to.
I'm 10-4,
Search the
can you
car.
have one of the available motor units fly quickly?
For any kind of motor unit, it's just Motor Charlie 2 there on the
You have your hair on your face.
Loving us over to the Camry.
It's Macy.
Well,
Following her arrest, the woman is taken into custody. She is ultimately charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, possession of a counterfeit license plate, operating an unregistered vehicle, and driving without a valid license. She eventually pleaded guilty to all charges. Because she had already spent 71 days in jail awaiting her plea deal, her sentence was credited as time served, and she was released. But her legal troubles were far from over. On April 6, 2026, she was arrested again in Hillsborough County, this time for violating probation tied to a separate retail theft case from the summer before. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you in the next one.